Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another installment of Solo Garage. So I know it's been a minute, it's probably been about a month since I've posted, and I apologize for that. So I'm currently going to be working on Project Kuzuri, and the piece I had ordered from Evasive, they had told me it was about a month ETA, and now it seems that they're not sure when it's going to arrive, so we'll see how that goes. But today we're going to be doing something different on the vehicle. We got our Renegade Motorsports brass shifter bushing. From what I've read, it's a pretty quick install, about 30 minutes, so we're gonna get started on that. Alright, so first thing we want to do is take this off, which I think first thing we actually want to do is take our shift knob off. So we're gonna take that off, and then we're gonna take this off. Alright, so managed to break that loose with a 9/16. And we're gonna take this off. Oop. I don't think that comes off. And then, if I'm not mistaken, there's just clips right under here that we need to pop out. Alright, so looks like there's 7 clips. All we used was a very rusty flathead screwdriver. I'm currently at my parents', so I don't have my normal arsenal of tools. You're gonna want to pop these off. And then we're gonna try to finesse it right out of here, just like that. Alright, so excuse me. We managed to pop this off. I did end up breaking one of the clips. Just going at it with the flathead. I guess it'd be better if you had an actual clip removal tool, but that'll work. So down here we got these 4 10mm bolts that we need to remove, and that should pop everything off. Alright, so we were doing it wrong at first. It is not these bolts right here that you're actually seeing. They're actually under this little plastic right here, which we're gonna lift up from that front piece right there with some needle noses, and then hopefully gonna be able to get those 3 bolts. Alright, so we got that lifted up. As you can tell, there's one right there. I don't know how well we can see the other ones. There's the other one, and there's that one. So we're gonna take those 3 off, and then our shifter should pop up. Alright, so all 3 bolts are out now. There it is. There's our old bushing, which I'm pretty sure is just plastic. There's the inside. Looking a little dingy. Might actually take this spring out as well and try to clean it. So we're gonna try to clean this up, take our old bushing off, and then we'll put our new bushing on. Alright, so we've cleaned up the spring. There's our old bushing. Probably gonna clean this up a little more, but did clean it up some. And now we're gonna we're gonna lube this back up, and then lube our new shifter up, and then install it. Alright, so here we have our, what I imagine is our high temp grease. And our new brass shifter, we'll take that as a package. Dang, cam does not want to focus. There it is. Better look. So, I'm gonna grease this back up and then push this back in. So we have re-greased our shifter. I'm about to grease this up as well, and then we're gonna try to push this back in. Yep, there we go. Alright, so almost forgot, but our spring is lubed up. Let's slide this back in. Try to slide this back in at least. That goes there. I think we do have to line this up somehow. I'm pretty sure it goes like that. Up. Yeah, I would imagine that goes like that. Okay, we're obviously going to be working against the spring. So we're going to put these back in and then we'll be right back. So we got all 3 bolts back in. Gonna line this back up. Trying to push it back down, but it's not really cooperating.
Doesn't want to go back on.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah, it should be.
It's kind of an odd design from Honda.
There you go.
Alright, there's that back on. I'm gonna snap this back in. And then lastly, put our shift knob on and then we'll try out the car. Alright, so here's everything reinstalled. Also, almost forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to put this back in your center console and make sure to snap everything in. And don't forget to tighten up your little nut for your shift knob. So we're gonna take a quick little drive, make sure everything's fine. Seems to be shifting normal. Got a bug in here. Does seem a little smoother. We at least know we didn't mess anything up. I do feel like we can, well, I can shift a little faster now. Before with the plastic one you would get like a, I'm not sure how to describe it, but I'm sure for so it is dark now. Not too bad once you know what you're doing. Pretty much is a 30-minute job as long as you do everything right. Really quick, really simple, nice little mod. Technically our first mod on Project Kuzuri, actually. So that's kind of cool too. I forgot all about that. Like I said, we were waiting on that part from Evasive, and we still are. Who knows when that will be in. Hopefully it doesn't take too much longer. I do have some other parts that are ready to go onto this car, so we'll probably end up doing that first. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys did, smash that like button. Drop some comments down below, any questions, comments you guys want to leave. Oh Lord, and if you guys aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. We are super close to hitting 100. There was another thing I was going to mention, and it just skipped my mind. Oh Lord. Alright, so I remember now. So I'll try to remember to leave a link to the Renegade Motorsports brass shifter bushing down below. I did get it from Ballad Sports, which you can also probably get it from Renegade, but I'll leave a link to the Ballad Sports website. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.